Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. For a monocyclic fully conjugated system, each double bond contributes to pi electrons and lone pairs on charged carbons, carbanions, or empty orbitals, carbocations, participate in the pi system. The ring itself accounts for 1 degree of unsaturation, so we focus on the pi electrons from double bonds and the charge. For a cyclic conjugated hydrocarbon CN with charge Z, negative Z means extra electrons, positive Z means fewer electrons. The number of pi electrons can be estimated from the structure. A. C4H4, 2. This is the cyclobutadiene dianion. Neutral C4H4, cyclobutadiene, has 2 degrees of unsaturation, 1 ring plus 2 double bonds in the ring contributing 4 pi electrons. Adding 2 negative charges adds 2 electrons to the pi system. 4 plus 2 equals 6 pi electrons. So C4H4, 2 has 6 pi electrons. Matches Q. B. C4H4, 2 plus this is the cyclobutadienyl dication. Starting from cyclobutadiene's 4 pi electrons, removing 2 electrons, 4 minus 2 equals 2 pi electrons. So C4H4, 2 plus, has 2 pi electrons. Matches P. C. C9H9 plus 1. This is the cyclononitritrenyl cation, 9-membered ring. Neutral C9H9 would be cyclononitritreane with formula suggesting 4 double bonds in a 9-membered ring contributing 8 pi electrons. With a plus 1 charge, removing 1 electron, 8 minus 0 equals 8 pi electrons. The cation removes 1 electron, but from a sp3ch to that becomes a carbocation contributing an empty p orbital, so the ring goes from having 1 sp3 carbon to full conjugation. For C9H9 plus, 9 carbons in a ring, with the formula C9H9 plus suggesting 8 pi electrons, 4 double bonds worth, the plus means 1 less electron than neutral, but the neutral sp3ch had to H, losing H plus or E to form cation gives full conjugation with 8 pi electrons. Matches are D. C9H9 minus 1. This is the cyclononitritrenyl anion. For C9H9-, similar reasoning, the anion adds 2 electrons to the sp3 carbon, making it a carbanion with a lone pair entering conjugation, giving 8 plus 2 equals 10 pi electrons. Matches S. Summary. A. C4H4, 2, 6 pi electrons, Q. B. C4H4, 2 plus, 2 pi electrons, P. C. C9H9, plus 1, 8 pi electrons, R. D. C9H9, minus 1, 10 pi electrons, S. Therefore, the correct answer is AQ, BP, CR, DS. The correct answer is shown on screen.